Hi team, this is Ashley. I'm going to very quickly show you how to input your written list of service providers. This is also known as the SSPL. Inside your point file to the left here, you're going to see written list of service providers and you'll click this. You're going to fill out two things. This top portion is going to be your title company and the services will be the fees that we are disclosing. So that's important to remember. Here is an example. All my title information is going to come right here. If this does not show up on your title and escrow fee sheet, it should be in the signature line of the person who sent this. So very quickly, I will show you. I have just transferred this information right up here, right into here, the company, the contact, your escrow officer, the address, email, phone number. And you will save and close. Down here, you're going to add each individual fee. So the service you will label as the fee name, the estimate will be the fee amount, and your provider dropdown will automatically give you whoever you entered in up top. And you'll save and close. So just a reminder, these fees are going to come from here and labeled as they come: escrow fee, 1523.20, lender's title fee, lender's title, etc. You do want to make sure for purchases you're adding that owner's title fee. It is a seller fee, but we do disclose it. And one more tip, sometimes we do get title companies that will send the fee and the sales tax separately. So it could come as a $1,500 escrow fee and a sales tax fee for escrow, $23.20. You'll want to make sure to add that as a whole and enter it in. And that is going to be it. Thank you.